I'm doing this simple test. We're going to see how long the camera is on standby, and I ain't going to do this for an hour. We're recording, and I'm going to say, GoPro, stop recording. And we'll come back in about, I guess, 15 minutes. See how much of standby we have here. We'll check in at 5 minutes. We'll check in at 10 minutes. And we'll check in at 15 minutes. 5 minutes is in. And we got the camera still running. Gotta go believe it. We'll check back in another 5 minutes. 10 minutes in. That's the time limit. I guess we know exactly what to do now. Not worry about this particular camera. Have a great day. Enjoy.